This is my new used Cameron Model 164 C7 drill press. It came with an Albrecht chuck that was broken. It's got little T-slots there. I ordered on eBay a new set. It's the drive spindle, this little reverse thread screw. It's reverse thread, so if you try to remove yours or unstuck yours, it's righty-loosey. And that goes into there. This is a little 0 to 1.5 millimeter chuck, the C15. So that'll get fixed. I happen to have another Albrecht chuck that's 0 to 3 millimeters, which works great. A little tip is the motor on mine had a blown out capacitor, or sorry, resistor. I removed the resistor, straight wired it, so now it's off or on full speed instead of a 2-speed. I just took a hunk of metal, drilled a screw hole that fit on the stop, and then another hole, wasn't even a screw hole, just a hole, and I put the 2 lock nuts that keeps it in place, and another hole in this rectangle of aluminum that fits this 8 millimeter gauge, and it just hits on that top bolt, comes off real easy. The biggest tip I can give you is when you get it, make sure that the nut on this side and the other side aren't too tight. Put the belt on, turn on the motor, and very carefully, without hitting your finger on the belt, loosen these bolts a little bit, and you'll find it'll run really fast and it won't be shooting hot air out the bottom. This one it was going slow. The speed was varying. Well, when I first turned it on, it didn't work because it was blown out. But once I got it running, the speed was varying and it was shooting a lot of hot air out the bottom. I loosened these bolts as it was running, and then it ran like 3 times as fast. So it's really got to be real careful about that. It's got the table. It's got everything. On the fastest speed, it's 30,000. The slowest speed, I think, is 9,500 RPM. And it'll drill through steel and aluminum with a small drill bit, of course. It's like pushing through butter. Very nice. Like 0 run out. Almost. Fantastic. To set the return spring, so it goes back up, you can set it to where you have to push it up and push it down, or you can set it to return. And what you do with that is you loosen these screws and then tighten one of them just a little bit, and then you turn this with a second screwdriver, hold it while you tighten these screws, and that sets the spring tension on this. That's it.